My name is Titus. Today I will tell a story about the lion and the mouse. Lion was fast asleep. Something tickled his nose. Achoo! Lion woke up. The mouse! How dare you wake me? Lion roared. He raised his paw. Please don't kill me, begged the mouse. Maybe I can save your life too one day. Lion laughed. You are too small to save anyone. The next day, Lion walked into a trap. Help!